11 benefits to Vicks VapoRub. If you've ever had a cold, then you probably understand the instant relief of applying some Vicks VapoRub. However, did you know that the remedy has far more uses than just helping your cold? Vicks VapoRub can also be used for sore muscles, home improvement, cosmetic purposes, ear pain, and more. That's right, Vicks VapoRub is very helpful to have around your home. Before we begin this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more daily tips like this and turn on notifications so you never miss our new videos. Now, keep watching to find out some ways to use VapoRub that you probably didn't know about. Number 1. Aromatherapy. Why apply VapoRub to your nose when you can freshen the entire air with it? If you have a humidifier, add some to circulate around the room. Not only does it clear congestion, but it freshens the room as well. Aromatherapy uses natural plant extracts to promote health. The essential oils used in aromatherapy can help improve our minds, bodies, and spirits. Aromatherapy products work through our sense of smell as well as our skin absorption. These types of products include diffusers, aromatic spritzers, inhalers, bathing salts, boil oils, facial steamers, hot and cold compresses, and more. There are many different benefits associated with aromatherapy. Not only can it help manage pain, fight off bacteria, and reduce stress and anxiety, but it can also boost your immune system and improve the quality of your sleep. It can also be used to treat many different conditions. These conditions include asthma, insomnia, depression, inflammation, arthritis, and more. Vicks VapoRub offers products like aromatherapy balms, which can help ease you at night with aromatic scents. The scent and essential oils that are used in aromatherapy products stimulate your mood sensors and ease symptoms of illness. It is a great way to help improve a cold and make you feel better when you're sick. Number 2. Soothes sore muscles. Vicks VapoRub isn't just for colds. Have you ever gone a bit too hard in your workout class? Applying some Vicks VapoRub to your muscles after a workout is a good way to ease both soreness and inflammation to help you get back to workout shape. It can be used to treat all sorts of different types of aches and pains. The menthol and eucalyptus oil in Vicks VapoRub products can help soothe your sore muscles while increasing circulation. If you have sore muscles, rub some on the affected area before bed. You'll be feeling good as new in the morning. In addition to soothing sore muscles, Vicks VapoRub also soothes tennis elbow. If you find your elbow throbbing, rub some VapoRub on it to soothe the pain and have you serving on the court in no time. Tennis elbow, also known as lateral epicondylitis, is a common injury which occurs on the elbow, and it is related to the tendons and muscle in your forearm. The condition occurs as a result of repetitive or stressful motions at the end of the elbow, resulting in small tears on the extensor carpi radialis brevis (ECRB) muscle. These tears can cause inflammation, making it difficult to lift things. Repetitive stress can lead to this injury. When repetitive activities which strain the muscles surrounding the elbow continue to occur, the muscles begin to tear. By rubbing Vicks VapoRub on your elbow, you can help relieve the pain and discomfort associated with tennis elbow. Number 3. Stop a squeaky door hinge. Having a squeaky door hinge can be a real annoyance. Thankfully, VapoRub can help remedy the issue. Rub a little on the door hinge and it should do the trick. This is because the substance contains petroleum jelly, or Vaseline, which should stop the squeaking. Did you know about any of the life hacks in this video so far? Keep watching for some even more amazing benefits of Vicks VapoRub. Number 4. Ease earache pain. If you're experiencing an earache, place a cotton ball with some VapoRub on it in the cup of your ear. It won't treat the ache, but it should ease the pain. Earaches can be extremely painful and uncomfortable, affecting the quality of your sleep and leaving you in pain. Although this method will not heal the earache, it is a good treatment to use for temporary relief. Number 5. Use it for fuller lips. If you're interested in getting fuller, softer lips, try adding a bit of VapoRub. One of its ingredients is menthol, which is a natural lip plumper. Number 6. Covers up bad smells. One of VapoRub's defining qualities is its overwhelming smell. So of course, if you like to not smell something more unpleasant, place a little under your nose and voila! Number 7. Cures toe fungus. It has been proven that the ingredients in Vicks VapoRub have antifungal effects. Studies have concluded that one of VapoRub's ingredients, thymol, is effective at treating toenail fungus. Simply wash and dry your feet before thoroughly applying some VapoRub to the affected area. Studies show that thymol, which is a primary oil that is found in thyme, destroys candida, which can cause nail fungus. It does this by damaging its cell membranes and metabolism. This is because it inhibits the growth of dermatophytes, which cause nail fungus. If you don't want to risk any of the side effects of prescription drugs for your toenail fungus, you can try out Vicks VapoRub. Before you do it, you should ensure that you are not allergic to thyme. And it is always best to speak to a doctor first for treatment of any kind of condition. So be sure to visit a doctor if you suspect you have a toenail fungus. Number 8. Softens your heels. Cracked heels are annoying, uncomfortable, and not very appealing to the eye. Believe it or not, cracked heels are actually a very common foot problem. Roughly 20% of adults in the United States experience cracks in their skin. There are many different treatments that can help moisturize, exfoliate, and soften the skin on your feet. They are caused from many different reasons. For example, if you have a job where you stand for long hours or tend to walk around a lot in your bare feet or with open back sandals, you are more likely to develop cracked heels. They can also be caused by harsh types of soap, dry skin, hot showers, and more. Cracked feet can also be caused by various medical issues like high blood sugar or poor circulation. Pregnancy, aging, fungal infection, hypothyroidism, vitamin deficiency, and psoriasis can also cause cracked feet. People are willing to spend a lot of money on unnecessary products and consultations to soften cracked feet. By rubbing VapoRub on your heels at night and then slipping soft socks to seal in its moisture, your heels will be smooth as a baby. Number 9. DIY shower bombs. Here is another way to get instant relief if you have a cold. By mixing together VapoRub with baking soda and water, you can create a shower bomb that will make your shower time even more soothing. Number 10. Gets rid of headaches. Just massage a few drops of VapoRub into your temples and massage the area. Number 11. Helps get rid of stretch marks. It's practically a magic eraser for stretch marks and loosened skin after giving birth. Vicks VapoRub is an over-the-counter medication which can help ease throat pain, alleviate cold symptoms, and help soothe muscle and joint pain. It is used as a topical cough medicine, which has medicated vapors that can help relieve a bad cough and nasal congestion. Although it is a great over-the-counter medication to use for a cold, It also has many different other useful benefits that can make your life a bit easier. If you love life hacks and are always searching for hacks that can help you make your life a little easier, you should grab yourself some Vicks VapoRub. Not only is it cheap, but it also has all sorts of different uses. From fixing squeaky door hinges, to getting rid of headaches, to curing toe fungus. It is a product that lots of people seem to live by. If you do use Vicks VapoRub as a form of treatment for medical issues, be sure to contact your doctor first before trying any treatments to help relieve your symptoms. Your doctor can do a full examination to ensure that your illness is not caused by any other health problems. He or she will also give you your treatment options and answer any questions you may have. So if you are looking for some new life hacks that can make your life easier and even save you money, try out Vicks VapoRub. Not only is it affordable, but it has many different uses for all sorts of things. What are some of your go-to life hacks? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and thanks for watching.